We embark on an enchanting journey through the mystique of the 5-in-1 Multi-Purpose Toolkit, a device so remarkable that it will change the way you perceive DIY. At first glance, it exudes an air of sophistication that promises to elevate your projects to the realm of artistry. We begin with a grand revelation. This toolkit, a testament to modern engineering, encapsulates the quintessence of 5 unique tools within a single portable masterpiece. Its brilliance lies in its versatility. As we delve deeper into this world of marvel, you will witness its capabilities unfold. The drill, with the precision of a surgeon, effortlessly penetrates walls. The saw, a maestro of woodworking, dances through timber with unparalleled grace. The sander, a virtuoso of smoothness, caresses surfaces to perfection. The screwdriver, your trusty aid, assembles and disassembles with the finesse of a master craftsman. And when you introduce the paint sprayer, your canvas will transform under your artistic command. But there's more to this than mere function. This toolkit is an artist's palette, a composer's symphony, and an architect's blueprint. It embodies the essence of creativity, enabling you to craft your vision into tangible reality. A novice will become an artisan, and a seasoned DIY enthusiast will reach new heights of achievement. The 5-in-1 Multi-Purpose Toolkit is a testament to human ingenuity, a convergence of skill and technology. It is the modern-day Excalibur, a tool with the power to turn your creative dreams into tangible wonders. As we continue to explore the boundless possibilities this toolkit offers, you'll witness the birth of a masterpiece. The mundane will become magnificent, and the ordinary will be transformed into the extraordinary. Our mission is to unlock its full potential and, by extension, your creativity. Don't miss this extraordinary journey into the world of the 5-in-1 Multi-Purpose Toolkit, where innovation meets artistry, and every project becomes a work of heart and hand. We invite you to join us, and together, we'll embark on an adventure that promises to redefine DIY. Give us a nod of approval, subscribe to unlock your wellspring of creative genius, and let's embark on a voyage where your imagination is the only limit to what can be accomplished. Welcome to a world where the exceptional becomes the norm, and your projects are limited only by your dreams.